This channel was created a few months ago and is getting over 1 million views per month. This channel was also created in the same period, with over 20,000 subscribers, and it's getting similar views per month. They are both making over $4,000 per month according to Social Blade, which means they can earn up to $50,000 annually if they keep up with this trend. They are creating simple quiz videos across different topics with good thumbnails that force people to click. The most viral quiz videos on these channels are known as Guess the Subject by Emojis, and you can see one of them here, which is Guess the Word by Emojis. It has gotten almost 1 million views, and you will see more variants under it, such as Guess the Superhero by Emojis, Guess the Game by Emojis, and many more. You will also find this series on the other channel, such as Guess the Fruits by Emojis, Guess the Snacks by Emojis, and many more. I will show you how to create these videos step by step with Canva and ChatGPT. I will also show you how to design the thumbnail along with the video research. And if you stick till the end, I will show you where to get the templates for other popular videos on these channels, such as Guess the Logo in 3 seconds, Choose Your Gift, Find the Odd One Out, and many more. So relax, and let's get started. Open ChatGPT and give it this prompt. We will use the most popular video on one of the channels for this tutorial, which is Guess the Word by Emoji. You need to swap the word for the topic you are creating and edit the number to your preference. You would also swap it on the second column as well as the note underneath, then press Enter. This will give us 2 emojis that can be pronounced together to sound like the word on the second column. To show you what I mean, I will try this prompt on a new chat for another topic like fruit. I will reduce this to 10 and swap the words to fruit on the column and the note, then press Enter. You can see that we have a pine and an apple emoji, which will become pineapple for the first row. Then we have a cow and a chestnut, which makes coconut, and so on. So I will go back to the previous chat to continue where we left off and move on to Canva. Switch to the Videos tab and click on the first option. Start with the background by searching for a spiral background on the Elements tab and switch to Videos. Find the one you like and click on it to show on the canvas. Right-click on it and set it as the background video. I will reduce the length to 11 seconds, which is enough for each scene. Next, go to the Text tab on the left and click on the heading. Replace it with Guess the Word, then change the font to a bold one. I will turn it to all caps at the top, then increase the font size. Add a shadow effect on it and change the color to black. Double-click on the word and change the color to yellow. Now you need to move it to the top and duplicate it. Type number 1 in it for the figures and add a circle by pressing letter C on your keyboard. Add a border weight to it at the top and change the color to yellow. Change the main color to black and change the figure color to yellow as well. Scale and align them together and place them on the upper left of the screen. Duplicate the header again, then go and copy one emoji from ChatGPT and paste it there. Increase the font size at the top to 300. Drag it to the left and duplicate it. Copy another emoji and paste it there. Click on both of them by holding the Shift key and change the direction of the shadow effect on the left. Next, search for a loading bar on the Videos tab and choose one of them. Hold the Alt key and drag one of the sides towards the center. Drag it to the bottom and repeat the same for the other sides. Add a rounded corner to it by dragging the slider to the right. We need a frame for the answer, so find a frame on the Elements tab and click on a rectangular frame. Go to Position at the top and switch to the Layers tab. Drag the frame to the top of the elements. Enlarge it like this and place it in the middle. Add a border weight to it and increase the corner rounding like this. Change the color to yellow and add a rectangle with the letter R on your keyboard. Drag it downward and enlarge it like this. Drag the corner slider to the right and add a border weight to it. Change the main color to black and the stroke color to yellow. Duplicate the header once again and drag it downward. Copy one of the words on ChatGPT and paste it there. Remove the shadow effect by changing it to none. Scale it down and place it to the center of the box. Hold the Shift key and click on the text and frame to place them in the middle. Scale them up like this, and go to the Elements tab to search for Lighthouse under Photos. I will drag it onto the frame to replace it. Then we can go to the Layers tab. Click on the 2 emojis and drag them up. Right-click on one of them and show the timing. Drag the playhead to 0.5 seconds, then trim both emojis there. Click on the timer, and you will see that it is 11 seconds, so we can reduce it by clicking on playback at the top and increasing the video speed to 2. This will decrease it by half, so we can shift the playhead to 1 second and trim the timer handle there. Drag the end handle to the left till it is 5.5 seconds. Shift the playhead to the end of the timer, then trim the end of the 2 emojis there. This means they will disappear at the same time as the timer. Go to the Layers tab and drag the answer elements together. Hold the Control key and click on the 3 elements. On the timeline, trim them one by one to meet the end of the timer. You can enlarge them more if you wish and place them in the middle like this. Go back to the Layers tab and click on the 2 emojis. Go to Animate and add a pop animation on them, then leave it on both. Scroll down to add a wiggle effect and drag the slider to the minimum. Click on the timer and add a baseline animation on it. Reverse the exit animation, then click on the 3 answer elements. Add a pop animation on them and leave it on Enter. Drag the playhead to 0.5 second, and for the sound effects, search for Pop Cork on the Elements tab and switch to the Audio tab. Click on Cork Pop 1 for the emojis. Drag the playhead to the start of the timer, then search for Egg Timer. Click on TikTok, then trim it to 5.5 seconds. The volume is a bit low, so increase it at the top to 200. Then search for Logo Ascend 8. Click on the first result for the answer, which will give us this. To make the audio appear on all scenes, press Ctrl+A to highlight all the elements and delete them. Download it as an MP4. Then press Ctrl+Z to undo the deletion. Upload the downloaded video back to Canva and delete the audio one after the other. Click on the video you just uploaded, right-click on it to replace the background, which will make it appear on all scenes. Next, go to Bulk Create on the Apps section on the left and click on the first button. Clear the table and go back to ChatGPT to copy all the data from the table. Paste it on the first block, and if you check the emojis, you will notice that some are not accurate. The first one is correct, since it is a basket and a ball emoji, which are pronounced as basketball. The second one is a fire and a truck emoji, but the truck is a fire truck, which is a bit confusing. So to change it, you can bring up emojis on your keyboard. On PCs, you can click on the Windows and the period key together, while on Mac, you should click on the Control, Command, and Space keys together. You can also go to sites like this to copy the emoji you need and paste it there. I will bring up my emoji and search for truck on the search bar. I will choose another truck, then delete the previous one. I can also change this one to butter instead of the butterfly. Most of them are correct though, but I can also see another one here which should have been a cake emoji instead of earthquake, so I will replace it. Click on Done when you are through, then click on the figure, connect data, and choose number. Next, click on the first emoji, connect data, and choose emoji A. Repeat the same for the second emoji and choose emoji B. Click on the word Connect Data and choose Word. Click on Continue on the left and generate the 30 designs which will become the scenes of our video. Now we need to change the pictures, so for the first scene, I will search for basketball on the Elements tab and switch to Photos. Drag one of the results to the frame, and you can drop it in the center, at the top, or at the bottom. The second scene is fire truck, so I will search for that again, and drag to replace the frame photo. So you need to repeat the same for the other scenes by finding relevant photos for them till the end. Go back to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. This will be used for the intro voiceover of each scene. Give it another prompt like this and press Enter. This will be used for the answer voiceover for each scene. Next, find a clipboard like this and copy the phrases one by one. Go to ElevenLabs, scroll down on the clipboard and paste the first one there. Choose any voice you like and generate the audio.
Can you guess which word is this?
Repeat the same for the other phrases till you are done.
What do these emojis represent?
Go to the History tab on the right and click on Next to see the first audio. Download them all the way up and back to the first page as an MP3 in a folder. Open the folder you downloaded them into, press Ctrl+A to highlight them all, then press F2 to rename them. Add a name you want and press Enter. Go back to copy the answer phrases one by one as before onto your clipboard. You may clear the clipboard before doing this for easier access. I will drop the link to this clipboard below, but you can use any clipboard of your choice. Paste them on ElevenLabs as before and generate the audio.
Yeah, it is basketball.
You can also edit the text as you like before generating the audio.
You got it. It is butterfly.
Download them as before and rename them similar to the intro voiceovers. Drag them all onto Canva for the video voiceovers. Before adding them to the video, click the middle of the scene and add a transition between them. I will choose Color Wipe, give it this direction and change the colors as well. Apply them between the pages to reflect throughout the video. Now drag the playhead to where the emojis have been revealed, which is 1 second in this case, and click on the first Start Audio. Then drag the playhead to where the answer frame has been revealed, which is 7.4 seconds in this case, and click on the first End Audio. Repeat the same for the second scene and click on the number 2 audio for both the start and the end. I hope you got it. You simply need to repeat this till the end. Now I will download this to my PC, but before showing you how it looks and how to design the thumbnail, I want you to note 2 things on the channels I shared at the beginning of this video. Firstly, you can see that they didn't get to this stage just by posting Guess by Emoji videos only. Rather, they are creating different series such as Would You Rather, Find the Odd One Out, Guess the Logo in 3 seconds, and many more. You'll also see Guess the Logo on the other channel, which has already gotten 1 million views. Another thing to note is that they are recreating videos of the same series. So when this guy saw that Guess by Emoji videos are working for him, he just kept repeating them, and 3 of his most popular videos are in this series. You can also see the same on the other channel for the Choose Your GIF series. He recreated them 3 times since it worked, and that's how all quiz channels do. And in case you didn't know, I've created many tutorials teaching you how to create many of these quiz videos on YouTube, and I will drop the playlist below where you can binge watch it later. I explained how quiz channels work, how to create intros and outros. I shared other successful channels in this niche, among other things. I also have a premium class where I share even more templates like Guess the Subject in 3 seconds and Guess the Logo in 3 seconds. I show you how to work with each template, I share the prompts and how to use them, and I even create video samples using the bulk create feature. You will see the result of each video that I created, so you can easily make your own. I also have Guess the Subject by Emoji, which is more advanced than the one we created in this video. Then you will find the Choose Your Gift template, both 2 and 3 options, among many others. I've just added 5 new templates such as Truth or Dare, Never Have I Ever, Find the Odd One Out, with more on the way. If you are interested in this bundle, you can get it by clicking the first link in the description below. You will land on this page where you can buy it, and you will get instant access to all the templates, video tutorials, as well as the prompts. I also included a thumbnail pack that works with the templates as a bonus, along with advanced video editing on CapCut. If you want to take the quiz niche seriously, this bundle is a must-have. So click the first link in the description below to get it now. This is how the video we created looks.
Can you guess which word is this? Yeah, it is basketball. What do these emojis represent? Easy, that's fire truck. Figure out the word from these emojis. Exactly, it's sunflower. Guess the word hidden behind these emojis. Nice guess, it is doorbell. Can you crack this emoji code? Good one, it is earthquake. Decode the word using these emojis. Right, that's homework.
To research the video topic, you may want to try out vidIQ. It's a free extension you can install, And on any channels, simply click on the icon and view the trending videos. You will see the videos that are currently bringing in the most views for the channel. You can try it for many channels and you will see their views per hour. What this means is that if you were to create similar videos with proper SEO, you can also get similar results by targeting their audience. You can also open any video and you can see a graph on the right, which shows the rate at which the video was getting the views, which can take a few days or week. You can also click on the AI coach and ask it to give you similar topic ideas or explain why the video did so well or poorly. I used vidIQ a lot, especially when doing keyword research. You can easily see the channel stats on the videos, and you will see the amount of views the video is getting even though it may be a year old. This will inform you that people are still interested in the topic. I will drop the link below where you can install it for free, and if you want the paid version, you can get it for up to 98% off. To design the thumbnail for this video, create a blank YouTube thumbnail design. Change the background color to black or blue. Add a rectangle and resize it like this. Change the color to red and add a text header to it. I will change the font to a bold one and place it at the top, then scale it up. Change the color to white and the word color to yellow. Add a lift effect on it and increase the intensity. Look for 2 interesting emojis on ChatGPT to use and find them on the Graphics tab under Elements. Click on Edit Image and add an outline on it. Change the color to white and repeat the same for the second one. Add a plus icon from the Graphics tab and place it in the middle. Scale them up and align them together. Then your thumbnail is ready. You can swap the heading for whatever topic you are creating, and it should work perfectly. I will drop a link below where you can get the template for the video, the thumbnail, and the prompts. If you want to learn how quiz channels really work, click on this video. To see the whole video series on creating quiz videos, click on this playlist. And if you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.